USDJPY price action. Look at it. Market has been moving upward, okay, since last week, and into this very week, I'm expecting that the market continue this movement to the downside into this very semi gap. A very big gap occur at this very point, this very area, as you can see on the 4-hour chart. And I'm expecting this market to come back down, okay? So from here, market move downward, retrace, come into this very point. What next? I'm expecting the market to drop into this very area, okay, to touch this very area before we can see the market begin to move upward on the price of USDJPY. And this is very, very important. So if you're not paying attention to market coming back down, comment below in the comment section of this very video. What is your price projection? Do you think the market is going to, from here, begin to move all the way to the upside, or market is going to come back down a little bit before move upward, not coming into this area of this very big gap? Or do you think market is going to come back down to this very point, as I'm expecting, before the next move to the upside? So comment below in the comment section of this very video. This is a 4-hour chart, and if you come to the 1-day chart, it is covered that we have this very range. Market has been in the range for a very long time. Look at it. From this very point, market has been in the range since July. Market have been in this very range, okay? We have this very touch, market touch this very area, and if I extend this a little bit to this very point, it is covered that market also touch this very area, come out of the range a little bit, and then market just broke out at this very point. And this breakout was very, very significant. So what next for the market? If you look at it, market have capability of moving upward, okay? But I'm expecting that even though we see a movement to the upside, that movement will not last long, in my opinion. And the market need to come back down into this very area. If we can come back down and satisfy this very area, not feeling it completely, but a kind of satisfaction that the market touched this very point after this movement upward, market touched this very area, then I can be very sure that the market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside. So my perspective on USDJPY is for the market to come back down. Of course, in the next coming days, we can see the market move up a little bit, okay, as if it's going to move upward, and a possible creation of a new high higher than this very area. I will not consider that move very serious, in my opinion. Rather, I'll be looking at the market coming back down to fill this very area or to touch this very area before the next move to the upside. This is very important right now on the price of USDJPY from now moving forward. What do you think about this 1-day chart perspective? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this video, and also in the pinned comments to receive many more updates on Forex. If you want to watch other videos on the channel, check this video out. It's very important. And check this video out as well. It's going to help you greatly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.